Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the 1 second everyday dairy app. So let's get started. So here I can see the 1 second dairy app. So to use it, it is very easy. So I will just open my 1 second dairy app. So here you have to click on sign in. Okay. So you have to sign in with your email ID. So I will just do either Google sign in or you can do with your others too. Okay. So from here you have to wait. So from here you have to write your first name. So I will just give my birth date. Okay, create my account. So it's not creating. Okay, so let us do this. So it will create in some time and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in my comment section.